Hey, let's check out this bed frame. This was so easy to put together. This comes with everything required for assembly. There are 2 Allen wrenches provided, and those are the only tools required. This is a metal frame and comes with a headboard and a footboard. This is a platform bed frame, so you don't need a box spring. And this has some really nice supports in the middle as well for extra support. And as you can see, I'm shaking this thing pretty good and it's holding up pretty well. We put the mattress on. This in particular is a queen size mattress, so it's a queen size bed frame. And I'll get right on it. And you can tell this is not shaking. You could put a dog on this thing too. The dog, unfortunately, is not included. It's solid and it's quiet. I really like that. And right now I'm laying on the mattress, and if you look underneath, it's holding up great. It's not sagging. It's supporting very well. Overall, for the price of this bed frame, I really like the modern, rustic looking design that this gives, and I really like the stability of this. I've had cheaper bed frames that move around, they squeak, they make noise, but this is pretty comfortable, and I really like the height of this. It gets it nice and up off the ground. I can store things underneath, and I really like the support.